Hi, I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia. Today's my birthday, so I thought I'd celebrate with a cute cake pattern and video tutorial.
This crochet birthday cake works up quickly and uses toilet paper as the base and support. You'll need about 100 yards of worsted weight yarn and a size G crochet hook. To begin the cake section, make a magic ring, which is just a loose slip knot. Then chain 1. In this ring and over the tail end, make 12 half double crochet stitches in it. Once the 12 stitches are completed, pull on the starting end to close the ring. And for the cake section, we'll always close the round with a slip stitch to the first stitch. And we'll begin each round with the chain 1. For round 2, we'll make 2 half double crochet stitches in each stitch around. 1, 2, 1, and 2. Continue with this pattern around. For round 3, the pattern is 2 half double crochet in the first stitch, then just 1 half double crochet in the next stitch, 2 half double crochet in the next stitch, and 1 half double crochet in the next stitch. Continue with this pattern around. For round 4, we're increasing again. This time the pattern is 2 half double crochet, followed by 1 half double crochet, followed by another half double crochet. So 2 half double, 1 half double, 1 half double. Continue with this pattern around. And for round 5, we'll do the pattern of 2 half double crochet, followed by 1 half double crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. Continue with this pattern around. Once this round is completed, measure it on your toilet paper. It should just about fit. For round 6, we're going to just make 1 half double crochet around, and just for this round, use the back loops only. For rounds 7 through 16, we'll make 1 half double crochet around under both loops, always ending with a slip stitch and beginning rounds with the chain 1. You can work on the icing part before or after finishing the 16 rounds. To do the icing part, make a slip knot on your hook. Then find the front loop ridge section between rounds 5 and 6. Make a slip stitch in any one of these loops. For each icing bauble, we'll start with the chain 3. Then make 4 double crochet stitches, all in that same loop. 3 and 4. Take out your hook, insert it into the top of the chain 3, and pull the loop through. Chain 1. Skip 2 stitches and slip stitch to that 3rd stitch. And there's our first icing bauble. And repeat. Chain 3. Make 4 double crochet stitches all in that same loop. 3 and 4. Take out your hook. Grab the loop. Chain 1. Skip 2 and slip stitch. Continue this around the top section. And for the bottom section, use one of the loops, either the front or back. Now for the candle, start with the magic ring and chain 1. It's up to you. You can make either 6 single crochet for a thinner candle or 8 single crochet in the ring for a thicker one. Pull the starting strand to close the ring. Going forward, we'll work in spirals, so no slip stitches, and we'll make 1 single crochet in the back loops only for the entire candle. I usually work for about 2.5 inches. You can fill it a bit with yarn or fiber fill to puff it out. For the flame, start with a chain 9. skip the first 3 stitches and make a double crochet in the 4th stitch, which is like having 2 double crochet. In the next 2 chains, make 1 half double crochet in each. In the next 2 chains, make 1 single crochet in each. At the top, make a slip stitch. Working on the other side of the chain, make 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches. Make 1 half double crochet in the next 2 stitches. Then make 1 double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. Along the bottom edge, evenly place 3 single crochet stitches across. Then slip stitch to close it up. Cut a longer tail end and use it to sew to the candle. And that's it. Sew the candle to the cake and place it over the toilet paper. And that's my birthday cake.
Thanks so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified of new videos from me each week. And if you liked the video you just watched, be sure to check out my next video, which I think you'll like very much.